Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are making biryani for the very first time.
So we start off by rinsing our chicken and marinate it with the following ingredients. Add half a cup of amasi, a teaspoon of legacy spice, a teaspoon of mother-in-law, and a teaspoon of garam masala. Add a teaspoon of all-purpose masala curry paste. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon and mix well together. Make sure that your chicken is covered with all the ingredients. Place it in the fridge for like an hour. Measure your lentils into a cup. Add them into a bowl. Add water and rinse them thoroughly. Switch on your stove. Add your rinsed lentils into a pot. And let them cook for 30 minutes. Measure 2 cups of basmati rice. Add it into your pot. Switch on your stove. Add water. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir and let it cook. Rinse your rice and remove all the starch. Add 3 of each biryani mix masala. And let the rice cook until it's soft. Take your cooked lentils and strain all the water. Pour them into a clean bowl and put them aside. Prepare a bigger pot to fry your chicken. You will need cooking oil to fry your onions. Add medium curry powder, a teaspoon of garlic, add paprika, add tomato paste, add your curry leaves, and mix all the ingredients. Add your marinated chicken. Make sure your meat is covered with the spices. Add potatoes and salt. And stir. Cook your chicken for 45 minutes. While you are waiting for your chicken to cook, Rinse your chilies and cut off the unwanted parts, then add it into your cooked chicken. Mix a spoon of tasty chicken soup with water. Add your lentils into your chicken curry and the soup. Stir and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Add your cooked rice into your curry bit by bit and mix well. Then voila, you have your chicken biryani. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.